So hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be walking you through this USSD code for Npower. So I think the code is 45665 hash. So when you dial the code on your registered SIM, it should pop up and it should tell you, give you these options. So here we have one Npower JIP, CCT, and the rest. But since it's for Npower, I'm gonna click on Npower. So I might be posting this video later on since I might have to put some sensitive information here. So I'm gonna pause the video and put in my BVN. So you guys kindly be on my screen. I had to remove some details here, but you can see after I imputed the BVN, what came up, this is the next boards that came up. It says select an option. You can check your Npower ID with this USSD code. You can check your registration status. You can check your test score. You can check your pre-selection status and your biometric status. Then if you need more, you can click on 0 to check more. But mind you, I think they do charge money for it. We tried checking something, shall we try checking I think we tried checking I think we tried checking our registration status or more. I think that was what we put. But this was the information we got. This was the feedback we got. It says we are processing your request. You receive a message shortly. So normally they will send you a message, but it says here that thank you for requesting for Npower at 13 naira. Data charges may apply. It says they will this USSD, I think it costs about 13 naira. So that's something you need to note if you're utilizing it. So hey guys, I hope this update is helpful to you. If it is, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to drop your comments. This is just an update on utilizing this USSD code. That's what this whole tutorial is meant for. I will be dropping more updates on the current deployment statistics, and you can also check up all what we've done so far. I think there are so many updates and so many findings so far. So hey guys, peace out now. One love. If you're back, keys, don't forget to subscribe guys. I'll be dropping some more updates very soon. You can also check up the lastly, you can check up the description box. I'll be dropping a code to Jumia so you can make orders at a discount. We'll be giving out a free voucher to you guys as part of the celebration. Then also we'll be dropping a link to our airdrop activities. So if you are if you're a crypto lover or you have interest in crypto, you can also participate. So guys, I think that's everything. One love guys, Shuba keys, and stay safe.